Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this gorgeous BMW 1 Series 1.5 118i M Sport DCT. Now this vehicle has currently done 27,715 miles and it's finished in the colour Storm Bay. It does come with 2 previous services. Overall, it's a very premium and gorgeous looking hatchback. It does sit very nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you will find 380 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,200 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you'll find your gorgeous full leather interior with the contrasting blue stitching. You do have ISOFIX points on the outer seats, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable behind the wheel. To the left of your steering wheel you've got your cruise control and speed limiter. To the right you have controls for adjusting the infotainment system. You do have a display here in the instrument cluster which provides you access to different driving data such as your average fuel consumption. There's even a digital speedometer as well. Centered in the dashboard you have your infotainment screen. Now the system can be controlled using the dial and buttons here in this center console. The system is also touchscreen, so you can use it either way. The system's got access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You're also able to play your own music through USB and Bluetooth connectivity. On your communication page, you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. You also have compatibility with Apple CarPlay, allowing you to easily pair your iPhone up to the system and use compatible applications that you have on your phone directly here on the screen. You can even make hands-free phone calls and text through the voice command feature as well. The system does come with built-in navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. Moving on, you have your connected drive menu here. You've got your BMW assistance and BMW messages. There's also the connected drive store. This BMW comes with front and rear parking sensors to make parking much easier. Also, you have access to your intelligent safety features. This includes your front collision warning system and lane departure warning system. Features that keep you nice and safe and give you added confidence when you are on the road. You can adjust the sensitivity of each option there. Down below you have your dual zone automatic climate control. It comes with heated front seats to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. Below you have controls for your infotainment system again. Moving to your center console now, you do have your USB input. You've got 2 cup holders and a 12-volt socket. Your automatic gear selector, the button to turn on and off the engine, your electronic handbrake as well as your drive modes.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.